Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use Genmoji on iPhone. So I provide full guide. So you need to first open your iPhone settings and you go to general, software update. Make sure to update your iOS 18.2. Now I'm already update my iOS. So go out. So open any conversation, like I'm open message. Open this and open. Go to emoji section, okay, and look here this option, just click on, then open this, click on to continue, and using like press on down and just wait a few seconds, then open this. So more, showing it to more option, and then showing it to more Genmoji. So I just select this, press on to add, okay, and now send. So look here, showing it to add. So that's how you can easily use this.